Hello and welcome to yet another video of Cornerstones of Math. Today we are going to solve these two equations involving floor functions. You may be already familiar with the definition of the floor function, which is essentially the integer part of x, or in other words, the greatest integer that does not exceed x. So let's jump right into the equations. First, we have floor x squared minus 2 floor x minus 8 equals 0. I mean, the next step is pretty obvious. We simply consider this floor x as a new variable and solve for floor x first. So if we factorize, we have floor x plus 2 times floor x minus 4, so this equals 0, which gives floor x equals negative 2 and 4. Next, we remove the floor function simply by using its very definition. From floor x equals 4, we know that x is greater than or equal to 4 and less than 5. And actually, many people get confused when floor function and negative numbers are simultaneously involved, so be careful not to get confused. According to our definition of the floor function, the range of x satisfying floor x equals 2 is x is greater than or equal to negative 2 and less than negative 1. So this is our answer. For the second problem, we now have the entire polynomial x squared minus 2x minus 8 inside the single floor function, which must equal 0. Therefore, we now have the inequality stuff first. If the floor of x squared minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, this means that x squared minus 2x minus 8 is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. So now we have a series of inequalities. Let us solve them. First, from the inequality x squared minus 2x minus 8 is greater than or equal to 0, we have x plus 2 times x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. So we have x is less than or equal to negative 2 and x is greater than or equal to 4. Next, from the inequality x squared minus 2x minus 8 is less than 1, we have, by moving this 1 to the left-hand side, x squared minus 2x minus 9 is less than 0. In order to solve this inequality, first we have to find the roots of the equation. From the equation x squared minus 2x minus 9 equals 0, we obtain, by quadratic formula, x equals 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 times negative 9 divided by 2. So 2 plus minus square root of 40 over 2, which is 2 plus minus 2 square root of 10 over 2, which is 1 plus minus square root of 10. Therefore, the solution to the inequality is x is greater than 1 minus square root of 10 and less than 1 plus square root of 10. We need to find the common range between 1 and 2, which is the solution to our series of inequalities. In order to compare the numbers, we start from the range of square root of 10, which is greater than 3 and less than 4. This means that 1 plus square root of 10 is greater than 4 and less than 5, and 1 minus square root of 10 is greater than negative 3 and less than negative 2. So if we represent them on the number line, the common range is these parts right here, which is x is greater than 1 minus square root of 10 and less than or equal to negative 2, and x is greater than or equal to 4 and less than 1 plus square root of 10. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another video.